Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download FTX wallet application for your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to download FTX wallet application on your iPhone, start off by tapping open your app store. Soon after you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in FTX wallet and make your search. This one's the app that we are looking for. It was formerly known as Blockfolio, now known as FTX. To quickly download the application for your iPhone, tap the Get button. You'll need to confirm your identity. Once you do that, your download should begin. FTX Wallet provides a custodial wallet where you can store crypto you buy and transfer coins to and from other wallets. It has low fees for cryptocurrency trading with a decent selection of digital assets and offers. It also has some features of advanced traders, including the ability to trade between cryptocurrencies and multiple national currencies. Wait until the application gets downloaded for your iPhone and it'll be ready for use. Soon after the application gets downloaded, tap the Open button to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download FTX Wallet on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.